Hello guys, welcome again. In today's video we're gonna add some protection before we start riding. I think that's the best idea. We start from rear swing arm protection because that's what I have at the moment. So we have to just remove that rubber plastic grommet. Okay, this is just kind of plastic rubber grommet. We go inside, same as from the other side, just bigger. That's it. Okay. Okay, and what we have over here is Evotech rear bobbin slider. So remove the nut, spacer, plastic cap, and this. Evotech don't recommend unbolt this one. Just ask you to slide through the wheel like that. Put it back here. Cap, spacer, and nut. And you have to tight only this side 8 Newton meters. So hold from one side and 8 Newton meters. That's it. That was 8 Newton meters, don't over tight. That has to be freely spin. See? That has to be freely spin just in case you fell. This is gonna spin. Alright. So let me move with the other things, okay? Right, so the next one we're gonna put the frame sliders. So we have to unbolt this one. This is M8 multi-spline, and we're gonna put the longer bobbins crash protectors on this side, which is the left side or right side if you're looking at the front. So this has to be with the longer spacer over here. I think I'm gonna hold it from inside because it's spinning, so I have to hold from inside. So I had to put some extension over here, hold it from this side, and just unbolt from the other side. Okay, the bolt is loose now, so we're gonna remove it. Now we can slide this inside and tighten it. Actually, I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on this bolt just to keep it firm inside. Okay, blue one, not the red one. Red one is too strong. It's enough. So slide inside the hole and tight with 48 Newton meters. Okay. I'll give you a little tip to hold firm that bolt into socket, because you have to align from this side and screw from the other side. Put some tape, any tape, like electrical tape. This is this is cloth tape, so this bolt will hold inside the socket. Now we can slide through from this side and align and start screwing. Okay, just about 48 Newton meters, and exactly the same thing we have to repeat from the other side. Okay, this is the short one. We add some Loctite. Just remember, do each side. Don't unbolt two of those bolts at the same time. Just bolt one side, fit it, screw it, and then just move to the other one. that's those two bolts hold the engine, okay? That's again fiddly part. That was actually easy enough. Yeah, definitely she's sticking out much further than the Triumph one. I like the Triumph one, but the crash protection is not really the best one. Visual looks very nice, but protection is quite, in my opinion, not good enough. They don't stick out much, so it's probably gonna straight away damage this part of the fairing, maybe tank. This one you can lose the blinkers, but definitely they're gonna protect you more than the other one. Yeah, the front one and the bobbins, they're gonna be from Triumph Genuine Accessories, so I have to wait for them. And I have radiator guard as well from Evotech, so that's what we're gonna do in the next video, okay? Oh, in this one I think that's enough. Have to get myself a beer and just relax. All right, so see you next one. Thanks, bye.